Alright, this is a video for 1VHD about exercise 65. This is about adding letters. Now, one important rule to know is that when letters are the same, like here you have X and X, then you can add those numbers. And if the letters are different, like X and Y, then you cannot. So over here we have 2X minus 3X minus 4Y. Well, that means that these two you can put together. And 2 minus 3 is minus 1. So I have minus 1X. And the 1 you never have to write down. You can just write down minus X. And then I have minus 4Y. Now these two you cannot add because the letters are different, so this is our final answer. Then I'm going to go to exercise B. Here it says 2x minus 3y minus 4y. So the 2x is the only thing that has x, so I can't do anything with it. I'm just going to write it down. And then minus 3y minus 4y is minus 7y. And that's the answer for 65B. Going on over to C here, it says minus 3a minus 4a and then plus 2b. Well, these two you can put together, and minus 3 and minus 4 together is minus 7a, and then plus 2b, because that's the thing that has a different letter. And then over here we have minus 3a minus 4b plus 2a. So now this is an a here, so we can add this one and that one. Minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1, so I have minus 1a, and then minus 4b. So that's how that works. And then the next one is 7p minus 4q minus 3q. Well, 7p is the only thing with p, so I'm just going to write that down. And minus 4 and minus 3 together is minus 7, so it's 7p minus 7q. And here we have minus 3t minus 4t minus 5t. It's all the same letter, so you can put all of it together. Minus 3 and minus 4 is minus 7, and minus 5 becomes minus 12t. So these are the answers for exercise 65. Then I'm also going to explain exercise 67. So let's read this story here. The story is kind of vague, but if I explain how it works, then hopefully everybody gets it. It says here the railway transports new vehicles. Here you see some new vehicles, right? The figure shows wagon 1, and it's carrying seven passenger cars. And we can count them. This is a passenger car here and there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And also 3 company vans. Those are these vans, right? They're from a company and they carry some stuff or some equipment and material, all of that. So we have 7 passenger cars and 3 company vans. A passenger car weighs p kilograms. So what this means is we don't actually know how much it weighs, so we just give it a letter. We call the letter p. And a company van weighs c kilograms. In this exercise, always simplify your answer. Alright, it says here, what's the total weight of the vehicles on this wagon? Well, it has 7 passenger cars. Now the P stands for passenger cars, so it's just 7p. So I'm going to write that down over here. We have 7 of those. And we have 3 company vans. So this is how much it weighs then, right? Because they said a passenger car weighs p kilograms and a company van weighs c kilograms. So it's 7p plus 3c. Question 2. Wagon 2 is attached to wagon 1. It's carrying an additional 8 passenger cars and 2 company vans. What's the total weight in kilograms of the vehicles on wagons 1 and 2? Alright, so wagon 1 had 7 passenger cars and 3 company vans, but wagon 2 had 8 passenger cars and 2 company vans. So when we simplify this, you get 15p plus 5c. And that's the answer for 67b. And then we're going to do 67c. It says 5 passenger cars and 4 company vans are removed from the wagon when the train stops at the station. What's the total weight of the vehicles still on the train? Alright, so when we ended at exercise B, we had this, right? We had 15p plus 5c, but now they remove 5 passenger cars, so minus 5p, and they remove 4 company vans. So then you have 15p minus 5p is 10p, and 5c minus 4c is 1c. So we have 10 passenger cars and 1 company van left. And this is the answer for 67. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you later.